Hi everyone, my name is Rishad. Today is the 18th of February 2024 and I'm going to be going over my weekly predictions for Tesla. As usual, we'll go over the monthly, weekly, final, daily charts, and then I'll summarize my prediction towards the end. So, monthly charts we can see has been pretty rocky since we had an inside bar formation in the month of November 2023. December, that inside bar is still sustained. Then, here, in January 2024, Tesla had an extremely strong bearish run where the market broke the low of the mother candle, which is obviously a very, very strong bearish signal. And then, obviously, we can't predict on this month yet. However, something to note is that the volume is pretty much going downwards, which is not exactly predictive anyway. And we can see that we are in a sideways pattern for Tesla for quite a while. Almost 8 months now, which is quite significant. And now also we can see that the RSI has crossed and gone above and below its average quite a few times. Again, we're in a sideways pattern. From the monthly charts, that's what we can gain. Stochastic, the percent K is starting to go upwards. However, the percent D is still sloping downwards. We can't take any signal yet because there's no crossover. But let's switch over to the weekly charts where we'll go over this price action in a little bit more detail. So, price action, we can see that we've had an inside bar here on the week of the 29th of January. Then in the week of the 5th of February, and until now as well, this inside bar still holds. However, we've had 3 consecutively higher weeks, although the last week was in a little bit lower, on slightly lower volume. We can see that the RSI is starting to go down, and there's no divergence yet, but we can see that it is starting to steadily go up, which is obviously a good signal. You can see that this week here, on the week of the 5th, the percent K actually crossed the percent D from below going upwards, which is a very strong bullish sign from the stochastics as well. So overall, we have a strong reason to believe that the Tesla stock should go up this week. However, as for positions, same as last week and the week before, we will not be trading until this mother candle is broken. So unless there's enough price action to break the high of 217.80 or the low of 180.06, either direction, until then the prediction stays the same that we will not trade Tesla. But just for further insight, let's head to the daily charts and see this price action in a little bit more detail. So from the 12th, we can see that we had a weird kind of spinning top, not really a spinning top candle, but it didn't really have any directional implication whatsoever. Then we had a doji candle on the 13th, again, another indecisive candle. Then on the 14th, we had a hammer type of candle, although the tail wasn't really, the wick wasn't really long. 15th, however, we had a Marubozu candle almost, where the volume was quite high. We can see this, which is a good sign. And finally, on the last day, we had a spinning top candle. So there's, again, not even decisive movement. However, overall, we did have an upwards breakout of this resistance line that I had established for a channel that the market was trading in. So that is obviously a positive signal. But again, the overarching view still stays that we need to wait for the breakout of the inside bar candle. Stochastics, we can see, are pretty iffy. There's no breakout or crossing, so there's no signal from there. RSI, again, is flatlining, but the average is still going up. So we don't have a signal from either of these indicators whatsoever, and neither from the price action in Tesla's daily charts. So that concludes my video for this week. As usual, if there are any relevant changes to this prediction, they will be covered on the channel. But until then, there's just an important disclaimer that I want to make before ending this video, and that is that all information here is completely educational, and therefore it's important to conduct your own analysis, whatever that may be, either technical, fundamental, or a mix of both, before entering any stock or position in the market, just so that you are content with it. And just to reiterate, this information is completely educational, and the video is made for an educational purpose rather than professional advice. So please conduct your own analysis and do not only rely on the information in this video. But as of now, that's all. Enjoy, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.